Hi everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Caroline Anindita Nasiti with name 23080100257 from Rumble 7. In this occasion, I will tell you about civil law in Colombia. So, enjoy guys! There are 3 points I will tell you about. First is international divorce in Colombia. Second, adopt or gain legal custody of child in Colombia. And the last but not least is civil marriage in Colombia. Civil law in Colombia. The Republic of Colombia is a democratic country organized under the rule of law. The branches of government are the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. Colombia's legal system follows the civil law tradition. Colombia is organized in the form of a unitary republic. It's divided into 32 departments and a capital district, which are under the authority of the central government. Colombia has a presidential democracy in which the president is both head of state and head of government, as well as commander-in-chief of the armed force and supreme administrative authority. Next, international divorce. It's important to get advice from an international divorce solicitor if having property in or family connection to Colombia and are considering divorce. The following are grounds for divorce in Colombia are: first, contested divorce where one party alleges the other is at fault, for example, because of adultery, abuse, drug addiction, or some other reason. And second, by a joint application without the need for a hearing. And then separation for 2 years. The Constitutional Court has refused a contested divorce on the ground that one spouse had fallen out of love, demonstrating that when trying to prove fault, there must be reliance on one of the well-established grounds. For international couples, the Colombian courts have wide powers to take on a responsibility for dealing with a divorce, including the financial aspects of separation. Next, adopt or gain legal custody of child in Colombia. The process of finalizing the adoption in Colombia generally includes the following. First, role of the central authority. Colombian law does not allow for private adoption. Children may be adopted only through the Colombian Family Welfare Institute or ICBF or approved adoption agencies. And second, role of the court. The Colombian family courts require a letter from the embassy in Bogota stating that they will issue an immigrant visa to the child if all adoption and immigrant requirements are met. When all documentation is completed, the family judge will provide the adoption decree, which the family can then use to obtain a new Colombian birth certificate from the National Registrar and a new Colombian passport from the Colombian Passport Office. Last, civil marriage in Colombia. Civil marriage in Colombia is performed at a notary office by a Colombian. One chooses a notary to make sure both of you will be able of getting all the documents required. If not, you can find another one with different demands. In all cases, the notary will request the couple certificate copies of birth certificates. Then, when the foreigners plan to get married in Colombia, they must prove that they are single by providing different documents, and after they are verified by a judge, the marriage license will be approved. If the certificate is written in a different language from Spanish, the document must be translated by an official translator and apostilled, which is a formal authentication made in the country of origin. If you already had a civil union in another country, it can be certified in Colombia instead of performing a traditional marriage. Colombian legislation also provides the alternative of having a common law marriage, which consists in recognizing couples that have lived together for 2 years in Colombia as a common law union, with equal rights and benefits just as they were married. Both options are also held by a notario in a notary office. Both traditional marriage or common law marriage in Colombia allow the prenuptial agreements to protect assets acquired in the past by spouse, even if these assets are in another country. These assets could be in serious dispute in the event as of a divorce, so it's very important for both parties to consider a prenuptial agreement. So that's all from me about civil law in Colombia. Thank you. Bye.